Hi, I'm Rachel Matugas. My country is Ghana. Ghana is a nation of West Africa Gulf of Guinea. It is known for diverse wildlife, old forts, and secluded beaches, such as Busua. Coastal towns Elmenia and Cape Coast contain possabans, native shrines. Colonial buildings and castles turn into museums that serve as testimonials to slave trade. North of Cape Coast, vast Kakum National Park has a free-top canopy walkway over the rainforest. The capital of Ghana, Accra. The currency, Ghanaian cedi. The population in Ghana, 25.9 million in the year of 2013. The official language, English. Accra is the capital city of Ghana in West Africa. Almost 2 million people live in Accra, making it Ghana's most populated city. Accra has been Ghana's capital since 1877, when the British ruled this part of West Africa. Before that, Accra was a collection of Ga village established in 17th century. Accra is a sprawling city, with a mixture of modern buildings, shanty towns, occasional castle, and lovely markets. Ghana's economy has been strengthened by a quarter century of relatively sound management, a competitive business environment, and sustained reduction in poverty levels. In late 2010, Ghana was recategorized as a lower middle income country. Ghana is well endowed with natural resources, and agriculture accounts for roughly 1/4 of GDP, gross domestic product, and employs more than half of the workforce, mainly small landholders. The service sector accounts for 50% of GDP. Gold and cocoa production and individual remittance are major sources of foreign exchange. Oil production at Ghana's offshore Jubilee field began in mid-December 2010, and it's producing close to target levels. Additional oil projects are being developed and are expected to come online in few years. Growing oil industry is expected to boost economic growth as the country faces the consequence of 2 years of lost fiscal policy, high budget and current account deficits, and a depreciating currency. President Mahama faced challenges in managing population that is unhappy with living standards and perceives they are not reaping the benefits of oil production because of political corruption. African Trade Bloc, SADC, Southern African Development Community. One of the ironies of SADC is that the organization was launched in 1980 with the original objectives of reducing dependence on apartheid Southern Africa and creating a channel for donor aid to the region. EAC, East African Community. The EAC aims to create a free trade zone in East Africa and to allow freedom of movement across borders for the nationals of 3 countries. COMESA, Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa. COMESA was established as an organization of free independent sovereign states which have agreed to cooperate in developing their natural and human resources for the good of all their people. Thank you for watching.